Four colourful species of Tragopans are found in India. Blyth's Tragopan is a vulnerable species of horned pheasant, also known as the grey-bellied Tragopan, found in the northeast India. Female is brown throughout with uniform pale speckling and an indistinct pale eye ring. Male has a yellow face, grey upperparts with white spots, a bright red breast and back of the head, and a white band on the base of the short tail. Satyr Tragopan is also known as the crimson horned pheasant found in the Himalayas, Uttarakhand and Sikkim. They are a species that is near threatened. Female is all brown with thin white streaks on the back and reddish-brown wings. Male has a black face with dark blue cheeks and chin and a grayish-brown back and upper tail. They have white speckling all over and are the only Tragopan to have white dots on the red breast. Temminck's Tragopan is found in northeast of India. Female is dark brown overall with pale spotting and streaking. Male is exquisitely colored. They are bright flame orange overall with white dots all over the body, black face and electric blue facial wattle that is inflated into a liver-shaped dazzling red and blue flap during courtship. Western Tragopan is a vulnerable species endemic to Himachal Pradesh and Western Himalayas. Female is brownish grey with paler upperparts and is finely streaked with white. Male appears mostly dark with prominent white dots all over. Note the bright orange patch on the breast, the red hind neck, the reddish face bordered by a black crown and ears, and the blue throat. They feed on the ground but is known to roost in trees.